In this video, I'll show you how you can buy XRP on eToro. First step is you want to make sure your account is verified, so head over to your profile and complete the verification. You need to provide your ID as well as a proof of address, so that can be like bank statement, a utility bill, and your ID can be passport, your national ID, or something else. It can be driver's license. Once you've done that, you want to complete a little questionnaire, which is your KYC. So you just have to answer some questions, and if you complete it, you will now be able to trade. After that, deposit some funds, head over to the watch list, search for XRP, select it, and click trade. So that is the simple way that it is done. You need to have your account completed before you can do this, but after that, it should be pretty easy. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.